What's going on, guys? Just a little short video of how to and how to not do these two-piece rear diffusers. So some people cut out these holes with I forget what it's called, but anyways, it's something you attach to a drill and it cuts straight holes. But what we're doing is this: using a Dremel, and use this as a template. Instead of cutting out every single hole, instead of cutting out every single hole, what we're gonna do is cut an entire line all the way right above these screws, and this whole piece is gonna fall out, and then it's just gonna look perfect with this on it. So yeah, I just used a Sharpie and I engraved it a little bit with a knife, just so I can get an idea of it. I'm cutting the bumper right here. I already cut this side. I need to fix it a little bit. Let me cut right there. But yeah, just a quick little video on how to actually cut them out. Little finished product, guys. Came out pretty good. Excuse me, Gigi. Came out pretty good. Sorry, she just likes to be center of attention. I installed the bumper, the diffusers, and the cutouts. Look pretty damn good. I was surprised. First time doing it, guys. Also wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on with the Integra. So, I posted a short earlier today, and then I deleted it so that way I can put this video together with the diffusers. So, I was just drilling out the radiator support on all the spot welds, and yeah, I'm getting ready to take this shit off. Ooh, fuck, I just hit myself with the header. God damn. Let me zoom out real quick. Anyways, long story short, I was just test fitting the JDM Front a couple days ago. I just zip tied everything up. I got this front, well, the two fenders, the bumper, the C-West bumper, the hood, and an HID headlight for $400. It was a steal. Actually, I'm sorry, $580. Still a steal. The only thing that I'm missing is obviously one headlight, which is the driver's side, and then the radiator support. The radiator support, I'm gonna have somebody do the tubular support, so that way we can figure out. I might even just take the whole damn thing off from the bottom and everything, because with the C-West bumper, if you guys look at this bumper, it's a little, like, this lip is pretty far back, and so is the bottom one. So we're gonna have to figure out how to put the intercooler and the tucked radiator, how all that's gonna fit. But for right now, I'm just gonna drill it out, take it out, so that way when I take it to either Goonie or Scarface, they can see what they're gonna do. Fenders are pretty hurt. Like, they got dents in them. Obviously, you can see one right there with the glare. Got dents in them. But I mean, for $400, I mean $580 for the, for everything, I can't complain. I knew it was gonna have its pros and its cons. So yeah. We're going to cut the fenders. I'm going to put the fender cutouts. I'm going to get the 4-inch side skirts and the drag wing. Hopefully I grab those things pretty soon. My skinnies, you guys noticed that I did post a picture or video of the car on the skinnies not too long ago. I left those in Florida with my dad. He's going to be painting them. I'm hoping he paints them the same color as the car, which is going to stay like a burgundy-ish red. with a chrome lip or with a black lip. So yeah. Engine bay wise, everything's disconnected. I just need to rip the rest of all this shit out. Like, the lighting in here is horrible, but you get the point. Lines, I'm gonna do all new lines for the car. Brake lines, basically custom lines done. And yeah, motor, not worried about the motor, not worried about the trans yet. I want to leave these two trans and the motor that I have for after the shell's completely done. I want to get this whole shell completely done first, guys, before I put the motor in. Because the motor, putting it in is just going to be easy. Especially to do the tubular front end. It's just going to slide right through the front, and it's going to be perfect. So, really hoping I can get this shell done within the next year or so. I am getting older now, so there's been a lot of things that I have to take care of first. But I have been working on this car little by little on the weekends whenever I have a chance. So we're getting there slowly but surely. And I can't wait to see how this thing looks after it's completely done, because it's going to look really damn good, man. Really damn good. Especially this color. Jab front. Oh, and I didn't explain what we're going to do since I don't have this headlight. Sorry about that. I'm going to have the guys like fab up like an intake, but from this headlight that still looks like the JDM headlight. Whether I buy the carbon fiber one with the little high beam or whatever it is, they always put like a little LAD or HID. I think it's a really bright ass light, so I just call it the intake headlight with a high beam. I wanted to put that there. If not, then I'll just get something like this made. By the way, this is for JDM Front, but I'm gonna keep this because you never know if I ever need it. Or make something like this that's the same design as the headlight, basically coming out through there in aluminum or whatever it is. So a lot of plans for this car. Just got to take it day by day, easy. I want to get this car done to a T, as in, like, I want to do everything right. I don't want to take any shortcuts. The only thing I'm taking a shortcut is painting the car. I told my dad, which he was mad at me, but I just want to paint the whole outside of this car and the bay. Fuck everything else. The door, these are still, I mean, these are mint, honestly. Like, these barely have any scratches or anything like that, and they look good. So, I'm not going to have him paint the door jambs because I just don't want him to. I just want to paint the whole damn outside of the car and the engine bay. Other than that, it's just going to be motor, 2 trans. I'm going to try to get a B20 block and hopefully sleeve that one to have as a spare motor, even though I know this GSR is not going to blow anytime soon. But I want to have the big boy motor on the sideline just in case. So I'm going to try to do this thing right. Build the 2 transmissions, the 2 motors, have the shell completely done, and then we'll throw a motor in it. As for the interior, I'm staying completely stock interior, guys. Only thing we're taking out is carpet, rear seats, and the plastics in the back, like by where the speaker panel is. Other than that, stock doors with door panels, full glass, and probably a Kirky or an S2000 seat and a roll cage. That's it. Very simple. I want it to look very clean, and it's definitely going to be something different. I think it's going to look fire as hell once this car is done. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be posting little videos here and there. I really don't have a time frame or like a schedule when I post these vlogs or videos about the car, or when we go on trips, so I'm just really random. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys, the support you guys have. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.